Hey lovies, welcome back to another delicious recipe, and on today's recipe we are going to be making this delicious coated peanut, specially known as peanut burger in Nigeria. So guys, do stay tuned as I take you through the list of the ingredients we're going to be using, and also do check out the description box so you can access it anytime you want to make some. So guys, right here I have some roasted peanut, which is groundnut. I have my sugar, flour and coconut milk. For how to roast your peanut, I have the link to the recipe on my description box, and I'm also going to pin it on my comment section. Do check it out so you can see how I roast my peanuts in my kitchen. So guys, let's get started with this recipe. So I will start by transferring my roasted peanut into my bowl. And I will go ahead and put in my granulated sugar into the coconut milk. So right now I'm going to stir it until the sugar dissolves completely. So I will start by putting in 2 tablespoons of the mixed sugar and coconut milk into the peanuts, and I'm going to be stirring it by moving the bowl around. So after moving the bowl for about 10 seconds, I will go ahead and add in 2 tablespoons of flour, and I will also go ahead and move the bowl to mix it up. So I'm going to make sure I mix it up properly so the peanut does not get sticky, as the coconut milk and the sugar is very sticky. So I will go ahead again and add in the mixture into the peanut, and I will continue this process for about 6 rounds. So I'm going to transfer it into another bowl again, and I will add in more flour. This process is very important. If you want your peanut to be very crunchy and well coated, you have to make sure you move the bowl generously as you keep on adding in the flour and the mixed coconut and sugar. So guys, when I'm done mixing it, you can notice some will be sticking together. Just go ahead and use your hand to separate the ones that are sticking together. When you do that, add in more flour and keep on moving the bowl around so you can separate them all from sticking to each other. So this process I'm doing is also going to make them separate from each other. Right now my peanut is well coated. I have done the process for about 6 times. So I'm just going to sift the excess flour off the peanut. After sifting it, I will transfer it into a bowl, and I will get my pot into the fire, transfer in some vegetable oil that I'm going to use to fry my peanuts. So when my oil is hot, I will go ahead and start putting the peanuts little by little. You don't want to overfill your frying oil. You want your peanut to have enough space to fry while you keep on using your spoon to stir it slowly, not with all your energy. Just keep on using your spoon to stir it slowly so you don't destroy the coated peanuts, okay? So guys, as you can see, I'm frying my peanut on a medium heat as I don't want it to get burnt. So in about 5 minutes, you will notice your peanut is well fried, you will notice it is golden brown. Just go ahead and take it off the fire, as you don't want it to come out burnt, because you don't want to eat burnt peanut burger. Okay, guys. Yeah, at this moment my peanut is well fried. It is golden brown, as you can see. I will go ahead and take it off the oil, and I will allow all the excess oil to drain off as I spread it in a nice kitchen towel paper to absorb all the excess oil. Guys, you can see how nice and crunchy this peanut came out. Just take a look at how strong it is. Yeah, so guys, if you did enjoy watching this recipe, if you find it helpful, please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Help me to click on that red subscribe button. Click on the bell icon that goes with it. That's where you will be notified anytime I post interesting and delicious recipe like this. Also, do drop me a comment letting me know if you love the recipe, and also do let me know if you want me to make any interesting recipe for you. Okay, till I see you again on my next recipe, to have a lovely day, to have a beautiful day. Bye bye.